Today we are going to start with some of the basic concepts of C# as a programming language. What is the objective of learning this subject is? It is, first of all, it is the object-oriented programming language, and it is designed by Microsoft, which is, the programming language is very simple, it is modern, and you can use this programming language for solving the many for creating many different types of programs and application development. You can use this language. This course will provide a strong foundation in the fundamentals of C# and the OOPS concept. This session we are going to see what are the classes, what are variables. We are going to see how to write a program using a C# programming language. We are going to see the different operators available in C# programming language, simple conditional constructs, and the looping constructs. All these topics are the basic topics. If you already know any other programming language, you must be knowing all these things, but we are going to write this codes into a classes, which is the program will be written in terms of OOPS programming constructs. So what is C#? It is a programming language which is specially designed to work with Microsoft's .NET framework. If anyone already knows Java as a programming language, majority of the things are similar in C# and Java. When you're learning the basic concepts, you might feel everything is same, okay, but there are a lot of distinctions also between Java and C#. Both are object-oriented programming languages, and the basic concepts are more or less similar. So if you're writing a program, program means what? You are instructing your computer to do some task for you. Okay, let's say for example you want to multiply 25 by 13. If you want to multiply 25 by 13, you want that multiplication should be done by your computer. So you need to write the instructions and you need to submit those instructions to your computer. Then your computer will understand it and then it will give you the answer. Now if I write the instructions into a simple English language, computer is not going to understand. We all know that computer works on binary language. It understands on and off states, right? On means 1, off means 0. It understands everything in terms of ones and zeros. That is a binary language. So as a human, it is not possible for us to write a program in terms of 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 like that. We cannot write instructions in the format of 0 and 1s because it is difficult for a person to remember the instructions that way. So we have high-level programming languages which has some particular structure to be followed. It is not like a simple English. This is an apple. It is a simple statement in a general English language. The programming languages are not written as a simple English. These are having a special grammar. You need to follow that grammar while writing the programs. Then once you write the instructions in a programming language, that is also called as high level language, then you need to submit those instructions to your computer. Now the question is, can the computers understand instructions written in C# or any other programming language? Obviously the answer is no. The instructions need to be converted to the machine language, that is the binary language, that is the language which our computer understands. You need to convert your instructions into the language which computer can understand. So you need a converter which converts a programming language into machine language, which is called as compiler. What is a compiler? Compiler is a software which converts a programming language into a machine language so that computer understands the instructions written. Compiler converts the programming language instructions into machine language. It takes the programming language instructions as inputs and it produces the machine language as the output. Now, do we have one compiler which will work for all the languages? Answer is no. If you have written a program in C language and you want to compile it, you have a separate compiler for that. If you have a programming language, if you have a program written in Java, if you want to compile that program, you have a separate compiler. So for different programming languages, we have different compilers. So you can see here in the diagram, program written in language 1, compiler for language 1, so it is converted into machine language. Okay, so there are two compilers. If the language in which the programs are written are different, then you will require a separate compiler for that. Before moving to the program of the C#, I would like to tell you how the C# program gets compiled. First of all, what is a program? You write some instructions to instruct your computer. So set of instructions is called as a program. And many such programs come together and it forms the software. So one software can have many programs and one program will have many instructions.